This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. They both have 8 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android 9. Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro on its latest version of MIUI. OnePlus 7 Pro on its latest version of the Oxygen OS. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Now give the boot up win by a considerable margin to the Xiaomi K20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, maybe the 7 Pro. Messages. Tie. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. And let's go. K20 on that one. Clock on both phones. Very close again. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome on both. A little bit faster on the 7 Pro. Waiting for this. A little bit of a lag there. Do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Ooh, a little bit faster on the OnePlus. We'll go to the bottom and click on the desktop version. Ooh, a little bit faster on the K20 this time around. We'll pinch to zoom on the OnePlus. Nice and buttery smooth. Because of this phone's 90 Hz OLED display, we'll do the same thing on the K20 Pro. Not too bad in its own right. Calculator. Call that one a draw. Why not? Play Store. We'll go ahead and do a search for the annoying TikTok app. It's right there. Go. We'll click on it. Go. And we're gonna install it. Nah, not gonna install that. We'll leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, very close. Click on the deal of the day. Woo! Neck and neck, these two. eBay. Oh, another draw. We'll click on this Samsung TV. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Ooh, so close. I'm gonna give the win to the 7 Pro. Tap to begin. Oh, running the actual game, it's a tie. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Both phones are loading. Ooh, I think the OnePlus is a little bit ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. Give the win to the OnePlus. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on this one. Ooh, OnePlus is ahead. And give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro on this. Asphalt 9. I think the OnePlus is ahead by a little bit. Will the K20 catch up? Nope. Give the win to the OnePlus. Tap to play once. PUBG Mobile. OnePlus 7 Pro ahead. Loading on both phones. Ooh, give the win to the OnePlus on this. We'll get rid of that on the K20. Photoshop Express. Both phones have this 8K image. Go ahead and click on white balance filter. I'm gonna choose cloudy and I'm gonna jack this up all the way to the max. I'm gonna click on this, save to gallery, and see which one will do it faster. And let's go. Tie. Twitter. A little bit faster on the right. Instagram. OnePlus again. Snapchat. Very close, maybe the OnePlus by a tad. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, love the way how MIUI does the app switching here. Very unique. We'll go through the apps again and let's just see what happens. Twitter, still there, and Photoshop Express. Both phones do have 8 gigs of RAM, so I don't foresee any issues with the RAM management here. As you can see, no issues thus far. Ooh, a little bit of a lag on the OnePlus 7 though. Interesting. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume. Super Mario Run. Mario Time, that's for show. eBay. Same place. Ooh, both phones are blazing fast right now. Well, K20 a little bit of a lag on that one. Play Store, same place. Calculator, a little bit of a lag on the K20. Same place on the Chrome. On both. Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera, a little bit faster on the right. Messages, a little bit faster on the right again. And the phone app, OnePlus on that one, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones? Do you have yourself the Xiaomi K20 Pro or the regular K20? Do you have yourself the Xiaomi Mi Mix series of phones? Or are you on team OnePlus? Are you rocking the OnePlus 7 Pro or the regular OnePlus 7? OnePlus 6T or OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T from a couple of years ago? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.